all members. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching my YouTube channel Income Sambad. Here also you can get all type of Ja lifestyle related real information and update in my channel. So I requested you please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and click all, then you can get all type of notification when I will update any video related Ja lifestyle information and any update, then you can get all type of video. Also follow my channel Income Sambad. This channel is international channel for Ja lifestyle related video. Here all type of video I will update. So please follow this channel and share this channel to your all members. So thanks for watching my video. Go to main video theme. Okay. Today video is all bank SWIFT code. How can you get and what is SWIFT code? What is SWIFT code and how can you find your bank SWIFT code? So now first I open my Chrome browser. Just I open Chrome browser and first I tell you what is SWIFT code. All members are ask me what is SWIFT code. So I just enter what is SWIFT code. Okay. Now see what is SWIFT code. SWIFT code. I open first website. This is SWIFT code. Please wait. Website is opening. Now open website. What is SWIFT code? Okay, please see this. SWIFT code are a combination of various kinds of letters and are used to identify the branch code of the banks. These codes are used as bank identifier codes (BIC). That's mean SWIFT code is a combination. SWIFT code is a combination of various kind of letter. Combination of a SWIFT code are uses to identify branch code of the bank. Means how your bank branch is where. This is the code is find your branch code, branch location, branch identify. This code is identify your branch location. Okay. This code are used as bank identifier codes. Means SWIFT code is your bank identifier code. Just like your identification, what? Your identity card. Your identity card is your identification card number. Just like SWIFT code is your bank branch identification code. Okay, clear? Now next, a SWIFT code used to identify a particular branch of a bank. I already tell particular branch of a bank. That's mean suppose you have a bank. Suppose bank name is State Bank of India. Okay. Now State Bank of India many branch. Then how can we find your branch? So then their situation use SWIFT code. SWIFT code branch of particular bank, particular branch. This find SWIFT code. This code play an important role in various bank transactions, especially when it comes to international transaction. Follow this sentence: international transaction. A SWIFT code may also be used in various banks to transfer other messages. That means SWIFT code mainly used for international transaction. What? SWIFT code mainly used for international transaction purpose. This SWIFT code is use international transaction, mainly international transaction for various bank to bank, your Indian bank to your America bank, use SWIFT code. Okay, clear? Next, now just this is SWIFT code. Okay, now next, how you can find your bank SWIFT code? How to find your what is your bank SWIFT code? What is your bank branch SWIFT code? You not know? Then what can you do? Then you just open your Chrome browser and here search, just simple thing, just you search here how to find SWIFT code or SWIFT SWIFT code finder. Okay, just you search it. Now open first website or you just check second website. I refer this website. Okay, BIC or SWIFT code of any bank. Okay, so now I open this code. Here you can see two options: check a SWIFT code or find a SWIFT code. Suppose you have a SWIFT code but you not know the SWIFT code is which branch where, so you here can the SWIFT code and you check SWIFT code find. Okay, now you find your bank SWIFT code. Okay, so first of all click here this option, select your country. First you select your country. I suppose enter India. Okay, as an example is I see you just as an example. Okay, India. Next, typing a bank name. Now here you type your bank name. I suppose type State Bank of India, SBI. Okay, now select your city. Okay, Kolkata. See, suppose your city is not in this list. Suppose your city is not in this list. Then what can you do? Then you just suppose your city is not here. Suppose your city is not here. Not show your city. Just you don't here write anything. Just directly you find SWIFT code. Okay. I click SWIFT code. Just see what is SWIFT code. See this. Use this code of any State Bank of India branch in India. Just see what is this. Okay, that's mean just see here your bank name is State Bank of India. Just you know your bank name. Okay, but you not know your location or you not see your location city this list. Then how can you find your SWIFT code? So just see here, see first SWIFT code main thing is first 4 digit is bank code. How can we get your bank code? Just go to your branch and tell your bank code. Check your bank code, or you can search Google. Suppose State Bank of India bank code. Just search it. Yeah, see यहाँ पर ये here see bank code is SBIN. So here SBIN is State Bank of India bank code. Okay, clear? Next, country code. All member is known. All members is know your country code. Just first 2 letter. Country code means just first 2 letter. Indian country code is IN, India. You know your country code. Okay. Next, location code. You know your location code, yes or no? Suppose you yes, then you enter. Suppose you not know your location code, then same search here location. Suppose I here write Kolkata location code 003. Okay, location code 003. Okay, और लोकेशन कोड कलकत्ता, कलकत्ता KLT होता है, KLT, कलकत्ता मीन्स KL और एनीथिंग. You just see this, your location, your address proof, your Aadhaar card, PAN card, you see this location code. And next, branch code. Where you can see your branch code, open your bank passbook and check branch code. Suppose you not see your branch code, go to your branch and ask for manager what is branch code. Okay, just this format you write this. Suppose you know your bank code, suppose your bank code is SBIN, your country code IN, your location code BI. You just know your branch code. Suppose your branch code is 005. Suppose, then your sweep code is ready. Just 4 things: first bank code, next country code, next location code, next branch code. Okay, clear? This is your bank swipe code. This process is find out your bank swipe code. Or next main or one more option is you directly call to your bank customer care number. Just I suppose your bank is State Bank, so you search STA State Bank customer care number. Okay, you just see and you check bank customer number. Suppose your bank customer number this, so you directly call this number from your registered bank number and ask your branch. You tell your branch name where your branch is registered, just tell, and customer care will tell you your branch swift code. You can get your swift code and you can easily use this swift code for our lifestyle withdraw section. So just this is very easy method. So I tell you, suggest call your customer care number and tell your bank branch details, yeah, bank code, branch code, and this customer care you will tell this full system. So it is very easy process. So I tell you. So bye bye. Your video is complete. So please subscribe my channel, and you interested my video, so like this video and share your friends. Okay, bye bye.